Here are mounting options for the Brighticonic SSL001 signboard lights. Option 1 will be for the top of post mounting. Measure the length of the side post to find the center. 2. Mark the center where the 2 brackets will be mounted. Drill the holes and secure the brackets. Attach the brackets to the light, ensuring they are securely locked using the anti-theft feature. Activate the lights by pressing and holding the pin provided for about 1.5 seconds. Place the lights and brackets on the top of the signpost, align the holes, and screw into place. For option 2, we will do a side of post mount using both brackets provided. The center of the post, measure, and drill holes. Mount the brackets at your desired height. Lower placement is recommended for better performance. Attach the small bracket to the side of the post using the long screws provided. Connect the large bracket to the small bracket using the short black screws. Now mount the light onto the bracket. For option 3, it will also be a side of post mount using single brackets for a minimalist style. Lower placement is recommended for better performance with this option as well. Screw the bracket into place and mount the light. Note: this style brackets are not included and can be purchased separately.